Hi students, this is Tirumala Max YouTube channel. 10th standard social science previous public exam question and answer key in the video நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். That is June 2023. Let's go to the video. முயற்சி plus பயிற்சி which is equal to வெற்றி. I always say that முயற்சியும் பயிற்சி இருந்தா you will be able to get a வெற்றி, my dear children. Unless you have a முயற்சி and பயிற்சி, you will not be able to get a வெற்றி, my dear children. இந்த தேர்வு என் வாழ்க்கையின் சிறந்த தேர்வாக இருக்கும் என்று எண்ணி ஒவ்வொரு தேர்வும் எழுத வேண்டும். Make a habit to think that every exam will be the best of your life. Your journey towards your dream has just begun. So please make note of that and we'll just go to the video. So June 2023 ல இருக்கிற one word இப்போ நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Which country emerged as the strongest East Asia towards the close of 19th century வந்து Japan. Who initiated the formation of League of Nations வந்து Woodrow Wilson. In which year SETI abolished? 1829. Where was the third session of Indian National Congress held? That is in Thousand Light. The Palk Strait and Gulf of Mannar separate India from Sri Lanka. The soil formed by the rivers are alluvial soil. The next one, the delta which is known as granary of South India is Kaveri Delta. Assertion, both A and R are true and R explains A. So the first point will be the answer. And how many times has the preamble to the Constitution of India amended? So that is only once. The Chief Justice and other judges of the Supreme Court are appointed by the President. With which country does India share its longest land border? Bangladesh. Primary sector consists of agriculture. Who granted the title Golden Fireman to English in 1632? Sultan of Golconda. And in India, taxes include both A and B, that is direct and indirect taxes. Let us go to the 2-mark question. So what are the objectives of International Monetary Fund? The primary objective of International Monetary Fund is to ensure financial stability. Objective of IMF to foster global monetary cooperation, secure financial stability, facilitate international trade. And next one is a list of the territories annexed by the British under the doctrine of lapse. Satara, Sambalpur, parts of Punjab, Jhansi, Nagpur are annexed under the doctrine of lapse. 17. Jallianwala Bagh massacre. On 13th April 1919, a public meeting was arranged by Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar. General Reginald Dyer hearing the assemblage. According to official statement, 379 were killed and more than 1,000 injured. Next, 18th. What is the contribution of Annie Besant to India's freedom struggle? Annie Besant started Home Rule League in 1916 and carried forward the demand for home rule all over India. She started the newspaper New India and Commonwealth to carry forward her agenda. Students joined the movement in large numbers who were trained in home rule classes. 19. List out the personalities who contributed to revival of Tamil literature. C.W. Damodara, U.V. Saminadar, Thiru V. Kalyanasuந்தரம், Parithimaar Kalaignar, Maraimala Adigal, Subramanya Bharati, Vaiyapuri, and Bharatdasan. Next, state the best flowing river. Narmada, Tapti, Sabarmati, and Mahi. Next, 21st question. The 4 distinct seasons. Winter or cold season, pre-monsoon and hot, then southwest monsoon and northeast monsoon. Next, 22nd is agriculture. Agriculture is the process of producing food for people, fodder and cattle fiber and many other desired products by the cultivation of certain products and the raising of domesticated animals. Then 23rd is important oil producing regions. Mumbai high oil fields, Brahmaputra Valley, Gujarat coast, Digboy and Andaman Nicobar Gulf of Mannar, Rudrasagar, lava. Boundaries of Tamil Nadu: East Bay of Bengal, West Kerala, North Andhra Pradesh, Northwest Karnataka, and 5th is South Indian Ocean. Then 25th, the list out the fundamental rights guaranteed by Indian Constitution: right to equality, freedom, exploitation, religion, cultural and educational rights, right to constitutional remedies. Then 26th is SARC. SARC is nothing but Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Maldives, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Nutrition Meal Program. Puruchi Talur MGR Nutrition Meal Program, National Program of Nutrition Support, Midday Meal Program, and Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Program. 28th. Why do we pay tax? The paying of taxes aims to raise revenue to fund governments or to alter prices in order to affect demand. States and their functional equivalents throughout history have used money provided by taxation to carry out many functions. Then 29th is Dr. Sun Yat-sen was the first modern citizen. The Palekara system was introduced in Tamil Nadu by Vishwanatha Nayaka. Dash crop is called as golden fiber in India is jute. The concept of constitution was first originated in the USA. India conducted its first nuclear test at Pokhran. Highlight the provision of a Treaty of Versailles relating to Germany. Germany was found guilty of starting the war and therefore was to pay the reparation of the loss suffered. All central powers are directed by pay indemnity. Union of Austria and Germany were forbidden. Alsace-Lorraine were returned to France. Then 31st question. Discuss the circumstances led by the reform movement 19th century. English education introduced class name under the influence of Western ideas. Christianity also affect on newly emerged. Instead, they attempted to harmonize both Indian and Western cultures. These are the circumstances led by the reform movements of 1920. And renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resources are those which natural regeneration, non-renewable are not cannot be replaced. Solar energy, and here it is coal. Personal communication, exchange of information between individuals is called personal communication. Spread of information among the people at a different the same time is known as mass communication. And then goes to give reasons. Eastern Ghats are discontinuous range because Eastern Ghats are dissected by very rivers that drain from Bay of Bengal. 33rd annexation of policy of British India. Then the doctrine of paramountcy, doctrine of lax, insensitivity to Indian cultural sentiment. Then goes to next one, Periyar Ivera. Periyar Ivera was the founder of self-respect movement, launched anti-Indianization 1937 to 39. அப்புறம் பெரியாரோட ரிலிஜன், பெரியார் ஒரு ஃபெமினிஸ்ட். ஸோ அதை பற்றி தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம பார்த்துருக்கோம். Let's go to the next one, 25. Powers of functions of Chief Minister relating to Council of Ministers, Governor, State Legislative and powers. Relating to Council of Chief Minister recommends the persons who can be appointed as a Minister of Governor. Relating to Governor, it advises the Governor in order to help the appointing of following officers. There is a Brigadier General, State Election Commissioner. Non-aligned movement, non-aligned coined by V. Krishna Menon in his speech at the United Nations. It aimed to maintain national discipline. It transformed from a political movement to economical movement. Then founding fathers of non-aligned movement. Natural legislation refers to a planned community unaffected by man either directly or indirectly. Tropical evergreen forests. Forests are found in areas with 20 centimeter, 21 centimeter or more annual rainfall. The most important trees are rubber, mahogany, ebony, rosewood, coconut, bamboo, candas, palm, and industries in India face many problems: shortage of fluctuation of power supply, poor access to credit, non-available large blocks, high rate of interest, non-available cheap labor, inappropriate living conditions nearby estates. Then 39th is Green Revolution. The Green Revolution started in 1965, coupled with better and efficient irrigation, the recurrent droughts experienced by India, so our foreign available foreign exchange reserve could not permit. And then the next one is final question is chief characteristics of successful cluster. Sectoral specialization, close inter-firm collaboration, inter-firm competition, socio multi-skilled workforce, active self-help organizations, and supportive regional and municipal governments. Question number 41. Timeline 1930 to 1950. So 1933 Hitler become the Chancellor of Germany. 1939 outbreak of World War. 1940 Battle of Britain. 1942 Battle of Stalingrad. 1945 end of World War II, formation of UNO. Then goes to the next question. 42nd question. So 42nd Jallianwala Bagh, Meerut, Barakpur, Bengal, Bay of Bengal, Madras, Dundee, Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. Let's go to the next one. Answer the following question. First World War. Beginning on 28 July 1914, Germany, Austria, Hungary. April 17, Treaty of Versailles. Rajaram Mohan Rai, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, Ramakrishna Paramsa, Narendranath Datta. Swadeshi movement. The partition of Bengal led to the Swadeshi movement. Then Swadeshi Steam Navigation Company, Tirunelveli Uprising. Then goes to mark the following places. That one is Nilgiris, Vedandangal, paddy growing area, Vedaranyam, Palk Strait, Coromandel Coast, Agasthyarmamulai, Indian Ocean. Then Mount K2, Ran of Kanch, River Ganga, Bay of Bengal, Eastern Ghats, Mangrove Forest, Metur Dam, Arabian Sea, Gulf of Mannar, Indian Ocean. With this, I hope in the video please subscribe to Thirungal Max YouTube channel and forward to your friends also about this channel. I wish you all success in your examination. Thank you so much. Bye.